Another day, another video to your wealth.
The 2023 holiday season is just around the corner. Are you ready to earn dollars from items you have already purchased? Yes, you heard me right. Earn money from items you have already purchased. Get paid to promote items you love, right from your phone in seconds. Without investing in inventory, creating product listings, or incurring upfront costs. Let's say you're outdoorsy and would like to promote a bow and arrow set you've already purchased, for hunting or competition. Just create a short 30 to 60 second review video from your phone, talking about how you like it or sharing tips on how to use it. Then simply upload your 30 to 60 second review video to various influencer programs, such as Amazon. You are paid a commission every time Amazon buyers view your video and purchases the bow and arrow set. It's that easy. Better yet, when creating your 30 to 60 second review video, you don't need to show your face. Just focus the product item for potential buyers to review what you have to say about it. Depending on the type of product item, you can earn anywhere from 1 to 10% on each sale. It may not sound like much, but with the upcoming holiday season, your earnings will significantly add up faster than any time of the year. Think about it. Serious buyers, just like you, always check out video reviews before purchasing an item. When they view yours and purchases that item, you get paid. Right now, major selling platforms are planning to grow their business through social media account holders, paying commissions to those who review their already purchased items for the upcoming 2023 holiday season. Hint: if you want to earn more than just relying on traffic from major selling platforms, simply build your social media posts around your product review videos, rather than posting general content or random memes. After all, wouldn't you want to share your review of items you already purchased in your social media posts? Especially during the upcoming holidays when friends or followers are looking for ideas to purchase gifts or spruce up their homes and get paid for it? Of course, like anything easy to earn dollars on major selling platforms, there is always the setup and approval process. That can be time-consuming and perhaps challenging for many. If you prefer to skip the challenges and learn how to be easily approved, including idea tips and techniques with an expert by your side to get started before the 2023 holiday buying season, be sure to check out what Travis Stevenson has to offer. Look in the description below this video to find Travis and his team, already earning commissions and gearing up for the holidays, before it really gets hot. This video is part of a series of videos about being healthy, wealthy and happy. Please like, subscribe and ring that bell, if you want to be notified about more upcoming videos. Be healthy, wealthy and happy.